Hi, this is the team at Easel, and today we're going to be talking about how to use labels when organizing your easel projects. So I've just finished creating this project here, which is the carrot cutting board. And when I click on the title, I can look at the labels that I've assigned to it. I'm going to talk through these labels and then show how they fit into the grand scheme of my project organization. I think an important thing to think about is labels works kind of like folders, but there's a little bit more flexibility than folders, where folders have a certain kind of tiered quality. You can do that with labels, but you can also kind of give some things labels so they fit in folders, but also have categories outside of that. And we'll kind of take a look at that here in a second. So I've labeled this as a gifts because it's just one of the projects that I would use as a gift giving recommendation. It's a cutting board and it's a set design. And set design means that it's not a design that I customize per client. It is just a set design that I have, and people would, when they pick that one, it's set, it can't be changed. So now that I've saved that, let's take a look at my projects. So if I go up here, we can see all of my projects that I have and all the labels that are assigned to them. And if we go to our label selector, I can go ahead and click on set design, and I can see all of my projects that are set designs or designs that I don't change. And if I want to get a little bit more specific with it, I can by getting maybe military set designs. And I have two of those. And if I want to get even more specific, I can click on signs. Or if I want to get rid of maybe military and set design, I can see signs. So you can search by a specific label, but then you can remove that label and search the things that are maybe of a different category. So you're really creating categories that you prescribe to projects. And then you can pick and choose those categories to define what you're looking for, or create spaces for specific types of projects. And projects can exist in one space or multiple spaces, and you can search using a single label or multiple labels. And so we can look at maybe custom designs that are also football. I only have one, but if I take away custom, we can see that I have two football designs, or I can do customs that are also coasters, and I can see that I have two custom designs that are coasters, but if I take away custom, then I have more coaster options to look at. And so in that way, I can categorize things, but I can also kind of provide them with identifiers, which are the labels, to search them really easily. And that's just a little example of how to use labels in Easel to effectively kind of categorize and sort your designs. Please leave a comment below to let us know how you use labels in Easel. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.